My name is Dr. Chris Heimlich, and welcome to my neuropathy website. In this website, you're going to find information that describes our neuropathy program. And really what makes us different, you're also going to find an opportunity to get 2 free visits to see if you qualify for care and to see if care is right for you. Now, let me explain a little bit about what happens with neuropathy. And I'm going to make the assumption that you or someone you love has already been diagnosed with neuropathy, and you have some type of understanding of what's going on with that, and that the nerves are being damaged. Now, whether it's in your feet, in your hands, or both, there's a process that's causing those nerves to be damaged. And because of that damage, you're experiencing some symptoms. I mean, they could be pain, burning, tingling, loss of sensation, loss of feeling, whatever the case may be, whatever your symptoms are, it's something that can be very frustrating and very chronic, as well as progressive. Personally, I found that patients are frustrated with neuropathy, and what's available out there for them of taking care of the neuropathy seems to be leaving them wanting. Whether it's taking medications or therapy or having a nerve block, all that's really an effort to stop you from being aware of the nerve that's being damaged. It's sort of blocking the sensation. And while that can be some benefit and making things a little bit easier for you to tolerate, it certainly doesn't do anything to change what's going on and what's damaging those nerves and continuing them to cause harm to them. So our program's different. Our program takes the cutting-edge science behind nerves and what helps them heal and help us to understand what are the best things that we can do to get that nerve a chance to recuperate, to reverse what's reversible, and then give you the ability not to rely on medication and really live a full life. So our program hinges on what keeps that nerve healthy. And there are really 2 things, fuel and activation. Fuel comes in the form of good physiological glucose levels, normal blood sugar levels. It also comes from levels of oxygen in the body. With good glucose and good oxygen, your nerves have a very good chance of keeping its metabolic machinery going and keeping itself repaired and keeping itself healthy. Now, it also needs activation, and activation is really if the nerve is being used properly. Is it being stimulated? Are there nerve impulses being transmitted across it in the way that helps to keep the nerve healthy? And with those 2 things, a nerve has a great chance of operating the way that it's supposed to operate. Now, with neuropathy, we find there's several reasons it can happen. A big reason is diabetes. And people can be put on statin drugs that disrupt the fat metabolism in the body. And these are some factors that play an important role in knowing what's going on with that area. So our program really leaves no stone unturned. I want to look at your metabolic factors. I want to look at your neurological and structural factors. And the goal right here is really to discover what the underpinnings are and what's causing the problem. Removing those factors that we can remove, and then doing what we can to promote the nerve healing. So what I've done is I've taken all this information, put it into a video, and it's free to you. There's a box on the site here that all you have to do is fill in your information, your email, your name, your address, and we'll get that out to you. It really gives you an in-depth look at what has been harming your nerves and how we've been successful with the patient. It gives you a sneak peek of what we might be able to do for you as well. Also in that box, you can see a phone number, and if you'd like to take advantage of the 2 free visits that we're offering, put your phone number in there, and that will signify to us that you would like us to call you so that you can schedule an appointment. There's commonly about a 2-week waiting period for patients with neuropathy in our office. Some people are pretty anxious and they want to get in and get looked at, so we offer this option. Feel free to tool around the website, read the information, read about the 2 free visits and what we're doing, and go ahead and fill out the information. We'll get you out that video as quickly as humanly possible. And thanks a lot for listening. I hope you find this a very rewarding place for you to visit.